Just got this in. I'm very excited for this Venluna 10.1 inch touchscreen monitor with 1080p backup camera system. So it comes with this user manual, how-to, everything that comes with it. Also inside this manual, if you contact the Venluna support with your order, they will provide you with either extra cameras or with some memory cards based off whatever your request is. So let's see, this is doing it. Not sure if I already said this, but if I didn't, doing an unboxing first and foremost, just so that we can take a look at what we have. I'm just super excited to share this with everyone. And then after the unboxing, we can go ahead and do an install. But for now, we are doing this. So here's the 1080p screen. This is nice. It's going to be touch screen once it's connected. Looks like it's connecting. Here's your connector, which will be powered through your cigarette port on the sides here. If you could see that, we've got USB, we got the SD card, and some other, you got the aux and SPS, I think that is. GPS, wow. GPS, aux, GPS, we got your card and USB ports. And on the back side for mounting, all right, that's good. So let's go ahead and get into the nuts and bolts. All right, inside here we got our camera. So this is your right camera. This would stick on. You can do this adhesive or bolt on. Let's see what we got. For sure that's adhesive or bolt on. Same thing. This is your camera, either front or back. Same thing. And these connectors, I should show the end of these connectors, looks like, so that this will stick in there. All right, here's your connector, 4-pin connectors on either one of those, 4-pin connectors. So same thing. Here's a second one, so front or back again, and you got your right or left cameras. Now these cameras are capable of night vision. They will record videos, especially if you've got your memory card set up and everything, but they will not record audio. So keep that in mind, but video is probably really all you need. Now these are meant for any of your big boys like RVs, trailers, tractors, pickup trucks, anything like that. So this will be really useful. Here's your connectors. All right, for your 4 pins, some of your wires and everything. This is good. And this is meant for up to 66 feet through all these connections here. This should be for your cigarette lighter outlet, and this should be for your monitor. Let's see how we connect. So you would connect this probably through here, and then this connects to everything, and then you will connect your monitor through this bad boy and then screw it on. Makes sense. This is for your monitor. This is your mount that comes with it. So it's nice. I can open it up. All right, so the mount, you could definitely do adhesive, or you can do it with screws. It looks like you screw this into the backside of your monitor, and then you could adhesive this onto the dashboard, which is nice. All right, there we go. Put that over here. Comes with some Allen wrenches, comes with some screws. And you got some other screws and bolts and everything for your cameras. Comes with a little screwdriver. And here's some extension cables for your cameras. You got 1, 2 of these. And then you got another one, 3. This is the long one, probably for the rear. And you got another one here, probably for the front. And then if you need some probably more extension on power, all right, and your connector. So all in all, really excited to put this together and put this to use, but this is what it comes with. And wow, look at that. Got an on-off button on the cigarette lighter portion for powering it, and USB connector, so you can put that to good use. Also, something to note with the monitor itself, you can connect the Bluetooth, so you can take phone calls and everything through your screen while also still monitoring around your vehicle. And I almost forgot, of course, these cameras are IP69 rated, meaning that they'll withstand dust, water, rain, anything like that. So really weather resistant, which is really good. That'll be good for temperatures, all around temperatures that you'll probably be exposed to. But